Our pipe bracket shelves come with these contents and are suitable for solid walls and timber studs. You'll need these tools, including an 8mm masonry drill bit. First, decide where you want to position your shelf and pipe brackets. Mark out the holes for the first pipe bracket, ensuring that the top is level. Next, drill at least 7cm into the wall with an 8mm masonry drill bit. Hammer in the wall plugs and screw in the long screws. Then use a level to align the top of the second pipe bracket to the first and mark out the holes. Once again, drill 7cm into the wall, hammer in the wall plugs and screw in the screws. Place the shelf centrally onto the brackets. Use our logo on the back of the shelf to ensure your shelf is installed the correct way up. Finally, use the 3mm pilot drill bit to drill 1cm into the underside of the shelf and screw in the final screws whilst applying pressure to the top of the shelf. Now simply style and you're done. Feel free to share your photos with us and we hope you love your new furniture.